Hello children. So let me start our chapter 3 more on MS PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is a highly innovative and versatile program that can ensure you a successful communication whether you are presenting in front of potential investors or a lecture or simply in front of your friends or colleagues. So here are some features you should be using. So learn everything about these tips. They will improve your presentation skills and allow you to communicate your message successfully. So in chapter 3, module 1 topics are how to add a smart art to our presentation, inserting shapes, inserting an image, and how to insert a clip art. So these are all the four features that we are going to learn in module 1. So the first one is smart art graphic. Let's see how it is working. So for that, I just open Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. When you are opening the slides, you can able to see some kind of options in middle of the slide. So this is one table and insert chart and insert a smart art graphic and pictures, online pictures and insert video. So these are all some options which options we have seen default in the middle of the slide. Okay, this is one simple method to choose the option. So another method is go to insert tab. Our topic name is adding smart art. Okay, for that you just go to the choose insert tab. Okay, in insert tab, I'm going to choose illustration group. And third one is option name. The option name is smart art. Okay, I'm just clicking. So when I'm clicking, there will be a box like this. Okay. So in this box, the options like a list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix. So these kind of some pictures which is available in smart art graphic option. So I'm just choosing the hierarchy. The hierarchy options will be available here. Okay. To see more details about a graphic, click any image and a larger preview of the graphic with additional text details will appear on the right side of the dialog box. Okay. For example, I'm choosing this one. The picture details will available here with text format, and the diagram is also we can able to view in large view. Okay, we can understand what kind of picture is this and what why we are using this picture. So this kind of details will available in the. So here the smart art graphic was inserted to our slide. So I'm just choosing, so I'm just going to type. So the very simple topic I'm going to type software. So the two types of software is there. One is system software, another one is application software. Okay, the types of system software is OS, utility software, so I need one more option here. Okay, I need one more option here. For that you just right click of the box. Here the options will available, the additional options of the box will available like here. So you just add a shape. I need one more shape, so I'm just clicking add after. So when I'm choosing the option, I can I get one more box here. Okay, so you just right click and give the edit text option. Okay, so again applications software types are general purpose. So I need one more box. So I'm just right clicking and add shape, add a shape after. Okay, again I'm just clicking edit text, specific or special purpose. application software. Okay, so this is how the smart art graphic is working. The topic is inserting shape. I will show you how it is working. I'm taking the new slide. So for that, I'm selecting the insert tab, illustration group. The name is shapes. When I click the drop down list, we can view a lot of shapes which is available default in this option. So in this option, we just see the lines is there, rectangles is there, different kinds of rectangles is there, basic shapes is there, block arrows is there. So these are all some default diagrams or shapes which is available in this shapes option. Okay, so I'm just choosing rectangle shape. I'm just choosing rectangle shape. When I'm choosing the shape, the cursor will change into the plus symbol. I'm just dragging. I got a filled shape. Did you see here? I got a filled shape. So if you need only a outline diagram, I didn't need this filled diagram. I just need a outline of the shape means you just select the image. Okay, you select the shape and go to the shape styles group. Okay, go to the shape styles group. If you just select the shape and go to the shape styles group and select the shape fill option. In this shape fill option, there is the option no fill. If you click that, you got only the outline of the diagram. If you need to change the outline of the diagram, go to the shape outline and select the width, which kind of width you need. You just select the width, and if you need to change the color of the outline, there is the option. You just choose the color. Okay, if you want to change the full color means there is also the option. You just choose it. So this is how we are inserting shapes into our PowerPoint. Because inserting an image. Okay, so for that, go to insert tab, images group. Okay, go to insert tab. In images group, there is an option pictures image. I'm just choosing this image and give tab. Okay, so this is how we are inserting the image into our slide. Okay, if you need to format or if you need to give some changes to our image, there is an option in format tab. Okay, once you select the image, the picture tool was available here. Okay, so I'm just selecting and I will show you the picture tools. The picture, we can view the picture tools tab, picture tool option here. In picture tool option, there will be a tab name like format. Okay, in this format tab, there will be a options picture style. Okay, you can choose any one of these styles as per your wish. Okay, so I'm just choosing this one. So this is how we are formatting or editing our inserted pictures to our. If you need some more addition format or editing to our picture, you can choose the picture border and second option picture effect. Okay, so these are all the additional options which is available in this format tab. Okay, understand this topic. So the next one is clip art. So for clip art, we want to select clip art from online pictures. Okay, you just click the online pictures from images group, which is available in insert tab. When you click the online pictures option, the box like this, you just example, I need one car clip art. Car clip art. You just type and search. Okay, you can got a lots and lots of clip art images from this option. I'm just choosing this option and inserting. Okay, so this is one method, or else you just go to the insert tab, online picture. There is OneDrive personal in the sense already we want to download some clip art uh, um, to our computer, and we want to save into our drive. Okay, after that we can directly access the drive from this option. So this is a two-way to insert clip art to our PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so we just do the quick review of this chapter. In chapter 3, name is more on MS PowerPoint. The module 1 topics are adding smart art, inserting shapes, and inserting an image, and clip art. For smart art graphic, the option is available in insert tab, illustration group. The option name is smart art. Okay, and second one is inserting shapes. This option is available in insert tab, illustration group, shape option. Okay, and third one is inserting an image. This option is available in insert tab, images group, pictures option. Pictures option. And fourth one is clip art. For that, I'm choosing online pictures in images group, which is available in insert tab. I'm choosing and just searching which clip art I needed. I'm just search. After getting the result, I just insert the images to the slide. Okay, so these are all the four main features we are using in PowerPoint presentation.